tornado spotted.
Holy fuck! The truck is pooped.
Hey Josh, why you use Ford car?
Because this my only car which I'll buy for $20.00.
Holy crap, this mule vortex tornado.
What is wind speed?
Do you think L use a vortex truck? Huh.
Number. Have you guys seen what happens to the truck?
I've seen that truck.
Holy shit, we dead.
Jack, don't say that.
Hey, Mike Elgonic, to say something to you.
You fat, bald bastard! Piece of subhuman trash! 2,000 years of constant human evolution to create a hairless
What?
Ha 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 ha, that's funny.
Guys, shut up.
Oh no, that's bad L don't have spare parts from TV2.
Damn it.
Come on.
Oh crap. Not that.
Oh no, Josh, don't die.
Help me. L don't want to die.
How? We can help you.
Oh no, Josh, I'll hope you survived of that.
This is the end of my life.
What is that sound?
L don't like that sound. Josh, say something.
What happened to Josh?
L hope he alvy.
Okay, tornado is leaving. Josh, no. Are you okay? Please don't die. I'll call an ambulance to rescue you.
Goodbye, Mike.
Elle will make revenge for Josh.
He was kind person to me, and he was every day come to my church and pray.
So what now?
Oh, don't know.
Elle going to make revenge for Josh.
But L tried.
Yes, Elle tried.
You both go to home.
And what's your plan?
To lay out tornado.
But you gonnig to die.
And Elle want to see Josh again.
He going to die.
Yeah, that's right, Jack.
Already.
Good luck.
Why with us was a 23-year-old boy?
Because he wants.
Yeah, that's right.
So say, why you joined to us?
Because Elle want to make revenge for Josh.
Oh no, Richard. Okay, never mind.
Good, my car is durable.
Elle, on what day?
How Elle can help you if you in stock.
Oh no, this is the end. I don't like this sound.
So we both alive.
It's almost there. The tornado is leaving now.
Okay.
Come on. We need to be alive. Damn it.
Damn it, Elle only survived out that.